Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today you are going to learn about the SQL related, which is like performance related mostly. You know, so in D365 F&O you also have the SQL where you can able to just check the relationship between the tables, or like how the data is flowing or how the data is storing, and like if you wanted to improve the performance of a table, so how you are going to, so everything you can also able to see or check using the SQL. Okay, SQL is also very very important, but yet it is optional. I mean, whether you can learn or not, but it is an added advantage if you just learn the SQL. It would be the data flow and the relationship between the tables. You can find it easily. Sometimes, whenever you do any coding or something, the data may not be accurate, or data you might not get the proper data. So whenever you just come to the SQL part and check how the data is flowing, where where you have just did a wrong or something, so you can easily check from here. So yeah, apart from that, I just wanted to tell you, whenever you are querying any data, like select star from employee table or select whatever that you are extracting the data, if you have a huge data, better to use the partition. So whenever you use the partition, you will be able to optimize the performance of your table. Like let's say my partition ID is this one. Let's say I'm just filtering this particular table data, or I wanted to just extract some data of this particular table. So for this table, what is a partition? This is a partition. So you can just take this partition and come back here, and you have to place your partition number and your table name based on your requirement. Okay, so here in this particular video, the only thing which I wanted to tell you is, if you wanted to optimize, if you wanted to improve the performance of any table when you're trying to extract the data, or okay, so you use the partition. Because many people think that partition is a kind of a default field when we create a table, but we also have the advantage of this partition, that it is going to improve the performance of the table. So yeah, as like index, how it is going to improve the retrieval of the table, retrieval of any particular data in a table, when it is going to improve the performance, right? The index. The same way here, the partition helps here in the SQL. So that's it, and subscribe for more videos, guys. Thank you. Bye.